Hi to the Skin Games and Skin Games judges. I'm Brenda Hogsett with Skintastic Waxing and Facial Studio, and this is my video 6 submission for the Skin Games open category, stretch marks. Today I'll be discussing the performance ingredients used in my case study and how they work to achieve the results we're seeing. The primary product used throughout this treatment series is the ProCell Therapies MD System Serum, which is formulated with the unique combination of growth factors and stem cell derived cytokines. These powerful ingredients are key to regenerating the skin, repairing the stretch marks, and improving overall texture and elasticity. I chose this serum because it's scientifically designed to stimulate the body's own natural healing response. It contains stem cytokines, which are derived from human bone marrow mesenchymal stem cells. These cytokines signal the skin to repair itself, increase fibroblast activity, and promote healthy collagen and elastin formation. The growth factors in this serum include IGF-1 and TGF-Beta 3. IGF-1, or Insulin-like Growth Factor 1, helps accelerate cell renewal and supports tissue regeneration. TGF-Beta 3, or Transforming Growth Factor Beta 3, plays a major role in scarless wound healing, ideal for reducing the appearance of stretch marks. Together, they encourage a balanced healing environment that minimizes inflammation and supports smoother, more resilient skin. I chose this performance blend because it aligns perfectly with my goal of repairing the skin at a cellular level while promoting a healthy, balanced healing process. I'm Brenda Hogsett with Skintastic Waxing and Facial Studio, and thank you for following me along this journey in the open category of the Skin Games.